Assalamu alaikum students. Here I am your science teacher Khadija with my lecture number 3 on unit number 1, the brain and nerves for class 5. Hope you have done pages number 4 and 5 in your notebooks. As I mentioned you in my lecture number 2, the contents of my lecture number 3 are new words, question and answers, page number 10. The numbers of question are 1, 2, 3 and 7 as it is included in your syllabus. The second topic is exercises 1, 2, 3, 4 of pages 8 and 9. And the last one is diagram labeling on page number 9. Some of the new words from this unit for you to learn are number 1, neuron, number 2, cerebrum, number 3, cerebellum, number 4, medulla, number 5, sensory nerves, and number 6 is motor nerves. Now we come, boys, to the question and answers of page number 10. Question number 1 is name the different kinds of nerves in the body. And the answer is nerves are of two kinds. Number 1, sensory nerves, and number 2, motor nerves. Question number 2 is what is the function of sensory nerves? The answer is sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organ to the brain or the spinal cord. Question number 3 is what is a reflex action? Which part of the nervous system controls reflex actions? The answer is the actions in which we do not stop to think in response to a stimulus are known as reflex action. Spinal cord controls reflex actions. Question number 4 is how does the nose detect smells? Answer is smells are chemicals in the air. These dissolve on the moist lining of the nostrils. The nerves carry a message to our brain and we can detect the smell. Now students, we come on the exercises of page number 8 and 9. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1 is which organ works with the nervous system and the sense organs to detect the world around us? Options are A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Liver, D. Lungs. The answer is B. Brain. Number 2. Which of the following does the brain need in order to function properly? Options are A. Sleep, B. Food, C. Oxygen, D. All of these. The answer is option D. All of these. Number 3. What does the medulla control? The options are A. Voluntary actions, B. Balance, C. Motivation, D. Involuntary actions. The answer is option D. Involuntary actions. Number 4 is what is the name of top layer of skin? The options are A. Dermis, B. Retina, C. Cerebrum, D. Epidermis. The answer is option D. Epidermis. Number 5. Brain cells are different from other cells of the body because they do not option A. Work, B. Regrow, C. Need oxygen, D. Die. The answer is option B. Regrow. Exercise 2. Match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. Students, here are the definitions written in column A, and you simply draw a straight line with a sharp pencil to match with column B, as I have shown you in the slide. So, I must read for you all these definition or statements. Column A, number 1, Nerves which cause movement in muscles. Column B. A. Motor nerves. Number 2. The part of the brain which controls breathing. Column B. Option B. Medulla. Number 3. Column A. The nerve which carries messages from the eye to the brain. Column B. Option C. Optic nerve. Number 4. Column A. The colored part of the eye. Column B. Option D. Iris. Column A. Number 5. The part of the eye on which the lens focuses. Column B. Option E. Retina. Now students, we come on exercise 3 on page number 8 and 9. These are fill in the blanks. Number 1. The outer ear directs sound to the dash. The answer is eardrum. Number 2. Smells are dash in the ear. The answer is chemicals. Number 3. The dash on your tongue are sensitive to chemicals in food. The answer is taste buds. 4. The dash connects the brain to the spinal cord. The answer is nerve. 5. The dash is the part through which light enters the eye. The answer is pupil. 6. The brain is the part of dash system. The answer is nervous. 7. Dash are like telephone wires and link all parts of the body to the brain. The answer is nerves. 8. The three main parts of the brain are dash, dash, dash. Answer is cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. 9. The nerve cells need a continuous supply of dash. The answer is oxygen. Now students, on page number 9, the exercise 4, on this outline drawing of the brain, color the three areas and label the following: cerebellum, cerebrum, and medulla. Here is a label diagram of brain showing three parts of the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Boys, here it is written brainstem instead of medulla. It's one or the same thing. You can write down both, you can write down only one, but it's the same thing. Dear students, after completing unit number 1, I'm going to give you some home assignments to complete in your notebooks. Do it neatly with your pen, okay? And with a notebook that you know very well, with double line notebook and with a plain page. So you have to do, the first thing you have to do is write down the answers of these questions in your notebook and learn them by heart. Secondly, you have to solve all the exercises in your book and then write down in the notebooks too. The third one, you have to draw a neat diagram of brain showing all the parts of the brain. You have to label it and then you have to color the diagram in your notebooks. I hope you will do this work very neatly in a good handwriting. So here I wind up unit number 1 with all my 3 lectures in it. Hope these will be helpful to you in understanding each and every point of unit number 1. But students, if you are still feeling any difficulty, then you can write down your comments. And I will be ending with a note of advice to you. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed, enjoy a happy and healthy life always. Goodbye.